In the Automated Manufacturing Technology program, students will focus on manufacturing, automation, machine tool, and CNC machining.
I chose the Career Center because it's a different environment than our homeschool and hands-on. The classroom and lab environment are great. We're only in the classroom as much as we need to, otherwise we like to be in the shop.
You learn all these skills that are not only just for like the class you're taking, but life.
Seeing when a student takes idea, creates a print, and takes it out in the shop and actually produces that part.
When I came into the program, I didn't know anything, but now I can run almost every single piece of equipment we have in there.
The students have an option to come back their second year for advanced training, such as CNC certifications as well as work-based learning.
Career Center is a great place to go. It's like, you know what, let's go try it.